up, sweeties? It's TeeElle and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Little rough around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left the center and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man and don't you hear it major song that I like that.
Welcome and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollartree DIY Valentine's Day project 2023. And we're making a wreath, baby. But we're making a wreath today, y'all. And it's going to be a nice size, nice, decent size. But there's a number of ways you can do it. I'm going to choose to do mine this way. Let's move my little plant over a little decor piece. Or should we not? Because I don't even, yeah, that's cool. So I have these hearts here, and I chose to get this pretty light pink and this pretty hot pink. You can make this wreath any way you want. You know, you can flip these hearts any way you would like. I do have 2 of each color. So I have 4 hearts. I have cable ties, zip ties. You get 25 in here. We're not going to need them all. I have the super cute little teddy bear. The teddy bear and the hearts, they both have that like thick plastic on the back so that you can easily zip tie things together. So I have those. And I have these curly bows. And I chose, of course, pink and red because those are the main colors for Valentine's Day. Now, this is going to be used to hang your wreath, but you're not going to use the entire thing. What you're going to do is save you a couple points. You're going to cut whichever bow you want off. So I want to cut maybe this one, whichever I choose, and we're going to use it to hang our wreath. Now, you're going to save the rest of them because we're going to use them for another DIY project, and you're going to see that DIY project this week. I'm trying to think what I want to put out for y'all. I'm not sure if I want to put out 2 DIY projects back to back, so maybe we'll skip a day. And I'll show y'all what else I'm using these bows for. So, I'm going to make y'all wait a little bit. So make sure y'all are liking this video. Make sure you comment on the video. Say, hey, T in the comment section. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you click the bell so you do not miss when I upload my videos. Okay? All right. And you're also going to need a pair of scissors. So, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. All right. So, let's start by just cutting these tags off. Normally I would just pop them off with my hands, but I'm not trying to pop my nails off today. I hope everyone is having a great Monday. I hope you all have a peaceful, positive, and productive week. And these hearts already come with the little red loops already on them. Now that I have the tags cut off of all my little decor pieces, I'm going to clear my section here so I can work, honey. All right, so I'm going to pop open my cable ties and just get those ready so I can just grab and go. So I'm going to take one of each color and I'm going to line them up and zip tie them together. So flip it over and line it up perfectly like that. Grab a zip tie.
If the world was dead, would you cry or would you try to get me? Tell me now, I want you to be clear. Tell me now, I need you to be clear. I will wait for you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
As you can see, it's flopping. So I'm going to put another zip tie.
I will wait for you, I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
So as you can see, that's perfect. I have my first 2 connected. I'm going to go ahead and take my light pink and connect it to my darker pink. Guys, say hi, Amira, in the comment section.
You want to see what I made?
Let's see what you made. Oh, look how cute is that little panda bear.
Yeah.
Oh, look how cute that is. Oh, we're gonna have to chat about how you made this My daughter takes after her mama, okay? Show the camera, mama, up close so they can see your little panda that you made. So cute. Comment down below how you think Amira did on her panda. I'm doing a video, guys. Amira also loves DIY projects.
I love it.
Yes, yes, yes. So just continue zip tying.
Mommy,
This is
when you were born, was there a lot of binding on the mountains? Because they were built in mountains when they were in 1990s.
okay. I'll have to see about that. All right, so here's where we're at so far. I'm going to add my last heart. And what I'm also going to do is go ahead and zip tie the middle once I get all of my hearts combined together. Probably the easiest DIY project I've done so far. Yes, with these you can hang the hearts individually in your windows, and that'll look super cute as well, just to touch up your home for Valentine's Day. My location had many different decor items, so I chose the teddy bear because I think it's adorable. They also had one with a red heart on there, I believe. They didn't really have anything that said love that was that came in like the thick plastic, so they only had it in like wooden blocks and things like that, so I wasn't going to go that route. I wanted to make this as easy as possible. I wanted this to be a glueless project, so check your local Dollar Tree and see which other decor pieces they offer. All right, let's see how secure this is after putting that one in the middle. Love it. So let's put another one connecting the two darker hearts. So here's what we have. You can flip this however you want. You can leave it like this, or you can add some more to it. I'm going to add some more to it. So first I'm going to cut my zip ties just so I can see a little better what's going on when I put my bear on there.
I ain't got a clue, bro.
I said 5 in the morning. I wake up to 5 for my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
Thank you, sweeties, so much for tuning in to my Valentine's Day DIY. Make sure you're sharing this on your social media platforms, with your family and your text messages, and your group text messages, all that good stuff. Share me out, babe. I'm gonna flip this over, and now I'm going to see exactly where I want my bear to sit. So this is how it looks with the bear on there. Or you can turn it. I kind of like it like this. It reminds me of like a flower. I like it like this, where you can see both colors at the top and bottom. So I think this is the move right here. Lift my hearts, go through my bear. And once I have it through my bear, I can put my heart back down. Okay, and go ahead and zip tie. And I'm not going to pull it too much at first because I want to make sure that it's nice and centered the way I want it. So I'm just going to zip tie it a little bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and tighten it as I see it's all in place.
Try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have trouble me. Starting to give up.
To go right above the bear's ears on both of the hearts and kind of zip tie it there.
To leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need, right? Yeah, I really need time now. I need to free my mind. I need to free my mind now.
Through the heart, through the ear, and back through the heart, and so it's going to pull it just like that, okay?
I really need mine now, yeah.
If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, style, jewelry, all these things I've got, I wonder, hey, would you still want me? Would you still be calling me? Still be loving me? If it wasn't for the money, cars, movies, style, jewelry, all these things.
You can also use a zip tie to hang it on your door if you would like that, but I'm going to, what's my favorite word, y'all? Cute. I'm going to go the cute route. I say cute about 50 times in all my DIY project videos, so just be prepared, babe. Cute. All right, so let's see what color. I think I want the bow that's going to hang up the wreath, I want it to be the same color as the bear's heart. So I'm going to choose this pretty glittery purple and use that. Now you can cut the red loops off your hearts, but I kind of like them. I don't know why, but I do. So I'm going to leave them on there.
I really need my love. I need to free my love. I need to free my mind out. I really need time now. I need to free my love. I really need time now.
Okay. And there it is. Super duper cute. Say it with me, y'all. Super duper cute. Easy, affordable. I love it. I'm going to hang it on my door. Tell me how y'all like this in the comment section. If you plan to try it, let me know. And if you do try it, send me a picture on Facebook, LifeAsTeeElle. Follow me on all my social media platforms. They're at the beginning and end of this video. Also, down below in the description box. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell so you're notified each and every time I do post a video. Leave me a comment down below. And I'll see y'all in the next video. I am out. Peace.
It's not gonna work for you. Nobody can eat.